In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a reoccurring scheduled invoice on Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left hand side, you want to click on the second tab, which is for sales. Now, under sales, you want to head over to the second option, which is invoices. And once you are on the invoices section in here, it will show you all of your invoices. And in order for you to find your repeating invoices, simply head over to the last tab, which is the sixth tab for repeating. Now, once you click on repeating in here, it will show you all of your repeating invoices. Now, whenever you have your repeating invoice, there is only one thing that you can do in order for you to stop it. That is to delete the repeating invoice. And in order for you to do that, you have two ways. The first way is by simply heading over to that invoice. On the left hand side, you want to click on the check mark, which is at the very left. This is a checkbox. And once you have the checkbox at the top and the right hand side, you will have an option to delete. Now, the second way is by simply clicking on the invoice. Now, once you click on the invoice, you just want to simply look and check if you do have things in which you want to remember. And from this invoice, you want to head over to the bottom and the left hand side and click on delete. Now, once you click on delete, it will say that deleting repeating invoices stops all future occurrences. So, are you sure you want to delete this repeat transaction? If you are sure, then just simply click on yes. And once you delete that transaction, as you can see, our repeating invoice is no longer on the repeating tab. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.